Hello everyone, Meteorologist Blue here with another video on the weather. So as we're looking over here at Denver, we are supposed to be getting snow over tonight. Definitely supposed to be getting snow over tonight. But let's see how many inches we'll be getting. This is starting from today, Monday the 6th, 1/6/2025, January. And it's 3:09 a.m. MST, the time I'm recording this. So as we're going through, we're not getting much. No one's getting any inches of snow just yet until Essex Park, a couple up in the foothills. By tomorrow, we are getting around 2 to 4 inches. So as we go into Wednesday, the 8th, we stay at 2 inches until around. Well, we stay at 2 inches. As we go through the 9th, supposed to get 3 inches, and then through the 10th, still 3 inches. We're supposed to get I believe 4 inches of snow to 5. So as we're letting this run here, as this run, we do just get 3 inches of snow throughout the week. Some places do get 4 inches, like Castle Rock. Colorado Springs gets 5 inches on Monday the 13th. And it looks like it's supposed to snow most of the week because Colorado Springs gets 3 inches. Supposed to get some light snow, of course. We're supposed to go and get like around 3 inches throughout the entire week. If we head over here, we are in a winter weather advisory. We are in a winter weather advisory for Colorado. As we do see, you can see my live footage camera outside my window. Just no snow, or anything. No snow or anything and stuff. One thing, this video will be going up on my main channel, Meteorologist Blue, and it will also be going up on my Meteorologist Blue Extra. As we are looking out throughout the week, like I said, it's supposed to snow, but we are in a winter storm winter storm warning. Winter storm warning. So looks like these are the parts. So if you want to pause the screen, you can see where you are in Colorado, and see if it's gonna hit your area. Definitely Denver, Deer Trail, Colorado Springs, Fountain, Canyon City, Pueblo, Hot Springs, Glenwood Springs, and Fort Collins, Fort Morgan, and most of these places over here. Not Grand Junction too much, but I believe Grand Junction is supposed to get 0 inches. So they do get 0 inches throughout the entire week, I believe. So they stay at 0 inches throughout the week. They may get some snow, but not enough to no one blow it. Today's recommendations is no need for umbrellas. Outdoor, you can go outdoor. Clothing, heavy coat. Heavy coat. Outdoors, UV index is low. Driving safety is good. If we look out tomorrow, everything's good. Clothing, definitely gonna want a heavy coat. Around what's today? Here, let's go today. You're definitely gonna want a heavy coat for those cold temperatures. And yeah, don't mind all the other ads because I can't control. I'm just using this. Anyways, fire danger, nothing too concerning. of course. Weather-wise, a fire danger. It's like there's a couple wildfire fires in Wyoming. Potential wildfires. But nothing really. As we do look at this, you can see the clouds. I believe this is. If it's gonna work. So yeah, here's the cloud movement for the US. If it works. You can definitely see over here in this area, if you can see. Over in this area, definitely have that cold air coming in. As we're looking at Colorado's kind of clouds as they move, definitely do have that cold Arctic air coming up from northwest, or yeah, I believe northwest, coming in down towards the south and the east, southeast or northeast. Yeah. Here's radar. Pollen. We are in the low for pollen in Colorado. Humidity, or here's radar. Well, radars. Temperatures. Temperatures for Colorado. I'm not looking at Colorado. Okay, temperatures for Colorado. Screen is heavily flashing because the weather is changing dramatically. But we are in kind of the teens and single digits. Some places may be around the negatives and stuff. Precipitation. Looks like it's light. A little bit of flurries. Nothing to be worried about as of right now. And this is just for today, and this goes until 6:30. So nothing until 6:30 as we're looking at right now. Probably over tonight we'll be experiencing some snow. Wind. We're looking at 1 to 5 miles an hour. Not too bad. 1 to 5 miles an hour is maximum wind tonight, or 1 to 7. I mean, as we go. Oh, that's tomorrow. But as today, 1 to 6. Clouds. Well, it's not working. Humidity, visibility. Visibility should be good. As we get into tomorrow, visibility may come down. Looks like 18 to. So as we get into tomorrow, this is kind of being weird, but it's okay. Air quality, I think it should be good. It's all good. So as we look at the working radar, National Weather Service radar, we can see that, like I said, as we're looking on there, it won't be coming until around tonight. Like I said, right now, as until 6, that radar only went up until 6:30 for, what was it, precipitation. Like I said, it's only there by Grand Junction and Fort Collins kind of areas of where it's snowing right now. Um, that's what radar is showing us here. So around tonight, I'm guessing around kind of into tomorrow morning, so around 12 o'clock ish. That's when it should start snowing and stuff. Like no traffic, few road closes, just normal construction and stuff, I believe, or for the winter coming up. As we're looking at US 6 east of 19th Street, you can kind of see it's a little cloudy or foggy. I-70 east of Colorado, 470. I-70, nothing really much. Going west, not much. I-25 is a little bit of traffic, but not much. We look where it's snowing. It's black. Oh, okay. Some road closes in Estes Park. But yeah. These are serious. Traffic cams up where it's snowing. I-70 north of Douglas Road. Not much. You can kind of see a little bit of snow. It was snowing yesterday, yesterday in the morning, but not much. I believe that's all I have for today for y'all. This is going up on both channels. Like I said, Meteorologist Blue and yeah. So I hope see you guys in the next video. If I could get to subscribe, by subscribing, I can do more videos like this and spread the word out. Like I said, it'll be a weather alert. For tomorrow, like I did say, it is a winter storm warning, or not really. It's more of a winter weather advisory, but we'll work with it. But yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy these videos that I do for y'all. Thank you again, and I'll see you tomorrow, hopefully, if depending on the weather and depending on how bad it is. But yeah, shouldn't be going much tomorrow. Yeah. So yeah, there's that. Just kind of my backyard. There's not much going on. So yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Winter storm warning, or advisory. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye, and see y'all in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.